Dibromochloromethane, Lewis structure. Carbon has 4 valence electron, hydrogen has 1, bromine has 7 valence electron. Here we have 2 bromine atoms, so multiplied by 2, plus chlorine has 7. So 4 plus 1 plus 7 times to 14 plus 7. So we are getting 14 plus 7 21 plus 1 22 plus 4 26 valence electron. This 26 valence electron has two tasks at the same time. This first task is to connect these 5 atoms together. The second task is to satisfy the octet and duet of the atoms. Let me connect. For connecting two atoms together, you need to place two dots. For connecting, we have used 2, 4, 6, 8. Now satisfy octet of outer atom first. First 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 22, then 24, 26. We have used all the valence electron. Okay. So now check for octet. Octet, 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 right? Octet. Now check for duet. So this is the Lewis dot structure. Now check for octet of the central atom. Carbon is the central atom because it is least electronegative, plus it has the highest capacity of making 4 bonds, plus hydrogen is always considered the outer atom.